In a clash of giants, the Galaxy A is competing with the iPhone 15 for the top spots in the best-selling smartphones of this year. And as every year, it is very interesting to see an entry-level device from Samsung compete against the most premium offerings from Apple in the top-selling devices. This time, it is a report by Counterpoint Research that lists the 10 best-selling smartphones of the second quarter of this 2024. And in the first place is the iPhone 15 in the most basic edition. In second place is the iPhone 15, but in the Pro Max edition, which is the most expensive edition. And in third place is the iPhone 15 Pro. So as you can see, the top three are completely occupied by the iPhone 15 series, although it is noteworthy that the iPhone 15 Plus is not within this top 10. Maybe that's why Apple has decided to stop selling this model. According to rumors, they are betting on a new slim edition, although this supposedly will apply to the iPhone 17 series, but these are just rumors. Returning to the topic we were discussing, in fourth place is the Galaxy A and its 5G edition, while in fifth place is the Galaxy A and its 4G edition, leaving the iPhone 14 in sixth place. And this is where the trend has changed a bit, because last year, in fact, the iPhone 13 actually, indeed, surpassed the Galaxy A. However, it seems that the Galaxy A, both in its 5G and 4G editions, have performed better in sales. Honestly, these are devices that I have liked, although if you find them in a 4GB RAM edition, they will have a much simpler performance. In seventh place is the Galaxy A, which personally catches my attention much more. I thought it would have a bit more sales, although remember that this report only covers a certain period of the year. At the end of the year, they will surely release a report on how it performed throughout this period. And Xiaomi is present with only one device in this top 10, which is the Redmi 13C, also a very affordable device. It stands out because it was not present in this top during the same period last year. The Galaxy S Ultra is in 9th position, so Samsung still cannot match the number of units sold by Apple's premium devices. Although in a certain sense Samsung has it more difficult because it obviously has more competitors in the high-end range. On the other hand, Apple, if someone wants iOS, they only have several options from Apple itself. But once again, it catches my attention that last year, during this same period, the Galaxy S Ultra was in the 8th position. This despite the fact that it is said the Galaxy S Ultra is having a lot of sales thanks to artificial intelligence. But as I said, we will have to wait for a much more comprehensive report to really understand how the sales performed. For now, as always, it is striking that an entry-level Samsung device competes with Apple's premium devices in this top ranking.